Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making sure Windows is updated and you can access the game bar. Open Settings, go to Gaming, and toggle Xbox game bar on so the system registers it. Once done, press Win+G to launch the overlay and verify it appears. If it doesn't, continue with the next quick checks. Make sure you're signed into your Microsoft account and that Focus Assist or Game Mode isn't blocking overlays, because those can silently prevent the game bar from showing. Next, repair the app to resolve configuration issues. Open Settings, Apps, Installed Apps, locate Xbox game bar, then Advanced Options and click Repair. If repairing doesn't fix it, choose Reset, which reinstalls app data and clears corrupted settings. This step often restores functionality. While you're here, check Privacy Microphone and Camera to ensure widgets that need those permissions can run. Restart Windows after reset so background services and permissions apply correctly before testing Win+G again. For stubborn cases, use PowerShell to remove and reinstall the Xbox game bar package. Run getapps package *Xbox gaming overlay *, and then reinstall from the Microsoft Store. Also update your GPU drivers and confirm background recording is enabled under gaming captures, because driver conflicts and capture settings often block the overlay. If problems persist, create a new Windows user account to test whether the issue is profile specific. This isolates corrupted user settings. If nothing works, note the single troubleshooting tip. Collect error codes and event viewer logs before seeking support.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.